Yeah, I just stepped away. I was in the other room. I didn't hear you.
That Google Pixel, is that Jasmine Williams? Because I didn't see her in the waiting room, but I had a file for her.
Google Pixel?
Yeah, she's on the screen. She was in the waiting room. I was trying to get your attention.
I don't see a Google Pixel on here.
She's on the screen. Walking around. The work uniform on.
Yeah, she was here earlier. Can you hear us, Ms. Can you hear us? Her audio is jacked up.
Oh, all right. I need to start, y'all. I gotta go back and do 2 preliminary exams. So we'll have to figure her out in a minute. Bring Reginald Williams.
Yes,
What's your name, ma'am?
Jasmine Williams.
Okay.
Oh, yes, I thought. She's the very last.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jasmine Williams. This is ticket SP 147108. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Jasmine Williams. Oh,
I'm sorry, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name now.
Jasmine Jaquise Williams.
Ms. Williams, did you do a better driver's course?
Did I do a who?
The online driving education course.
No, I didn't get that notification.
Your Honor, we're asking for a pre-trial, an extended pre-trial. I'm going to chat this information to Ms. Williams. Ma'am, would you please take this online driving course, get a certificate, and come back? And then you'll get your best offer from the prosecutor on your next court date if you want to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so one moment while I just get that information. So many Williamses. I just sent a chat to your attention only. Did you receive that?
Are you talking?
No, Mr. Williams, please stand by.
Yes, yeah, I see a chat.
Can you screenshot that?
I brought him, never mind.
I screenshotted it.
Apologies.
So please come to your next court date, get a certificate from that class, and they will treat you like the queen you are, okay?
Okay, I just wanted to state that I do have car insurance.
Okay,
Okay,
It's
fantastic.
secure.
All right.
thank you.
I'll see you back on September the 5th at 8:30 a.m., okay? September the 5th at 8:30 a.m., okay, ma'am?
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Mine will be at $0 personal, okay?
You say September 5th, 8:30 a.m.
September 25th.
September
25th.
25th.
5. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. All
Bye-bye.
right. Bye-bye. Mr. Williams, please take your hat off the court.
All right, sorry about that, ma'am.
That's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Reginald LaShawn Williams. This is ticket SP 1382825, count 1, disregard officer signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, sir, please state your name.
My name is Reginald Williams.
Judge, there's a genuine and material issue of fact such that we're asking for a trial date, a waiver trial by Zoom. The defendant's been advised, please. And thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with the attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trial finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, it is.
All right, I'm going to set it for October the 9th. October the 9th via Zoom. I'll set set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
you. Could you give me that date one more time?
I sure can. It's October 9th. October 9th at 9 a.m.
And is that gonna be on this, will I soon log in?
Everything's gonna be on Zoom, so via Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just saying, do I use the same login, this three?
Oh, yes, yep. 360-337-0000.
Yes, ma'am, at October the 9th, 2023, right?
Correct, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
That's this year. Yep, okay.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
have a good.
You too.
Dennis Ware? Unmute yourself for me. You see it asking you to unmute?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Dennis Philip Ware Jr. This is ticket SP 139849. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number, case number 173284941. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper plates. Also calling ticket 173825505. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Judge, before you continue, there's a lot of noise in the courtroom and it's hard to hear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant, Mr. Ware. State your name.
Dennis Ware. I had insurance.
Mr. Ware, she's just reading the charges against you, right?
Okay.
Right.
Dennis Ware.
This is what
Right.
happens, Mr. Ware, when you haven't come to court for a long time, I gotta read everything that you have, because you opted not to join us in the past. So these are all of the tickets that you have, so that you don't just have warrants sitting out there in your name, okay?
Okay, thank you. That's even
You're
better. Thank you.
All right, counsel,
So, Judge, we're here for a pretrial. There's a recommendation that if the defendant pled guilty here to one count, it's the driver's license count. That would be reduced to failing to display a valid driver's license, a 0-point offense. That the balance of the cases which you've read onto the record would be dismissed here today. My understanding is he's going to plead guilty to failing to display his license. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
all right. Did you discuss those tickets that were in default? I just want to know whether or not I should read those or not.
No, I did not, Your Honor.
I'll leave my default then. All right, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of August 16th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of westbound Davison and 14th Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause as to any matters that the court is willing to dismiss here today.
All right, this time the court is going to enter a plea guilty to the amended charge of failure to display a valid operator's license. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, I'm not gonna give you a fine. You have some tickets in default that you need to pay. Pay the tickets in default so you can try and get your license back, okay? Oh, hold on.
May I ask how much is the tickets that's in default?
So you have, let me see. So you have, I might stop like this, so they're not. So we did. It looks like 210 plus 180 plus 288 plus 280. It's like yo, $966. Plus, well, you got some other ones. Oh, 1,623, it looks like, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir, okay?
thank you. Y'all have a blessed day. And today is also my birthday and my anniversary. So
Happy birthday and happy anniversary, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day, sir, okay?
okay, you too. You have a blessed day.
All right, thank you. Anthony Williams? Anthony Williams?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can. Can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you see?
It's just a white screen. But, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony, there you go. Anthony Dwayne Williams. This is ticket number SP 1470405. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1470404. Pass on the right, count 1. Expired plates, count 2. Also calling in warrant status, ticket number SX 3852197. No operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Moffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Anthony Dwayne Williams.
Thank you. Mr. Williams is going to waive rights to any further hearings and resolve this matter today by pleading guilty to failing to display, Your Honor.
All right, sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 20th of 2023. At that time, sir, were you driving a Jeep vehicle in the area of West McNichols and Warwick Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor. I also stipulate to probable cause for the matters to be dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir?
Yes.
Fine, I'm giving you is $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
All right, so have it due no later than August 28th, 2023. It appears you have one ticket in default, sir, from 2021. You need to pay that, okay?
Okay, yeah, I didn't know nothing about that. 'Cause I was in the county in 2022.
All right, look it up and get it together, okay?
Okay,
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Levi Williams? All right, go ahead, take your hoodie off all the way for me, please. Thank you, sir. Now calling the matters of the people versus Levi Williams. This is ticket number SP 1325221. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drove while licensed. What drove while, you gotta turn off whatever's in the background right now, Mr. Williams.
That's the refrigerator. Is it okay if I mute myself for a second?
Yep, absolutely. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number SP 1344314. Count one, improper plates. Count two, drove while license suspended. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Levi Williams.
Thank you. Judge, we're here for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Please accept a not guilty plea from the defendant. He waives any more formal reading of the charges of the warrant against him. He's asking that the matters be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom and has otherwise been advised.
All right, if that's the case, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial for myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to set this matter for a waiver trial on the date of October the 9th. October the 9th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in today. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Antoine Williams? Antoine Williams,
God. I'm here. Can you hear me?
I can. Now
Okay.
calling the people versus Antoine Williams. This is ticket SP 195025711. One count expired license. Driver's license, ticket number SP 194596741. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Antoine Williams.
Good morning again, Mr. Williams. Your Honor, the defendant waives any more formal reading of the information or complaint or warrant and stands mute. And we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please. 2019 cases.
Okay, cool. All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
All right, I'm going to set it for a waiver trial on the date of October 9th. October 9th via Zoom. October 9th via Zoom. I'll set your bond at $0 personal.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Let's see. I don't know how to do this.
You want me to sign you out, sir? You got it?
Please. Please.
All right. All right. Bad Yahya. Yahya. Why, Yaya? Walter Woodard?
Hello?
Hello. Now calling the matter of the people versus Walter Woodard. This is ticket SX 4207639, count 1, motor vehicle operate without security. Count 2, limited access, speed 31 miles plus over speed limit. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
It's Walter Woodard.
Your Honor, the defendant, through counsel, has had an opportunity to pre-try this case with Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. Ms. Cole offers that the defendant would plead guilty to speeding, limited access, 1 to 5 over here, that the other case would be dismissed here. He's going to plead guilty. Thanks.
All right. Do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis, counsel?
Yes, for the responsibility, please so stipulated, and I stipulate the probable cause as to the matter being dismissed.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, limited access, 1 to 5 over speed. The remaining ticket will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for that is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infraction. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yeah, it should be, yes.
Are you eating, Mr. Woodard?
I'm sorry, I've been waiting a long time.
I know. But once you got caught, you just got to put the food to the side, so finish chewing.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. All right, slow down, please, and thank you. You were doing 85 and 55. Slow down.
I'm sorry.
Fine is due on October 10th, 2023, okay?
You said that's when it's due?
Yes, October, that's 14 days. Is that enough time for you?
You said October?
I mean, not October, sorry, August 10th.
Okay. If by any chance I might be running behind, is there a way I can extend it?
I asked you, did you need some additional time? I asked you, was 14 days enough time? And you told me yes, right?
I know, but you know, things come up. Things come up all the time. I'm not trying to make excuses. I'm just saying things happen.
August 28th. I'll give additional time. That's why I asked you, was that enough time? August 28th.
Okay, that's perfect.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Squad, Yaya?
How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people. You're all set, Mr. Woodard, okay? August 28th. Now calling the matter of the people versus Squad Yaya. This is ticket SP 1383410. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hi, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Fuad Yahya.
Good morning. Judge, the defendant presents today with valid and current registration. I've seen that document. It does not expire until May 1st of 2024. I'd stipulate the probable cause here for the stop and the recommendation for a dismissal. Thank you.
All right. At this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always have valid, that your car is registered with the Secretary of State's office, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yes.
You're all set, sir. Now log off. There we go. All right. Lavelle Woods, can you hear me, sir? Unmute yourself for me.
Sorry about that. I'm talking
It's
to
okay.
myself.
It's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lavelle Donovan Woods. This is ticket SP 1288439, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1270674, count 1. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2. No insurance misdemeanor. And it looks like ticket number SP 1288477. 1 count failed to use assembly system well. Seatbelt. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, Mr. Woods. Please state your full name.
Lavelle Donovan Woods.
Judge, these matters are set for trial. There are no complaining witnesses to give testimony in any of the instant cases. I'm asking you to consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, this time it is now 11:05 a.m. No officers having appeared. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, sir, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Are you welcome? Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Bye bye.
Joseph Watkins. Joseph Watkins.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Joseph Craig Watkins Jr. This is ticket SP 142425543. No insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 of that ticket is drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Harry Bachman, on behalf of the defendant, sir, state your name.
Joseph Watkins.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Watkins is going to continue a not guilty plea here. We're set for pretrial, but we're asking for some more time. He and I have had some discussion. I believe he's going to come back in compliance at his next court date.
All right. Sir, I'm going to adjourn this matter for you, the pretrial until September 25th at 8 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 person, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Brittany Williams. Brittany Williams.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Brittany Williams. This is ticket SP 140618881. 1 count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name. Ms. Williams, state your name, please.
Brittany Williams.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is here for the purpose of arraignment. Please enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. She waives any more formal reading of the information or warrant.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. How are we proceeding today?
So she wants to resolve this here by pleading guilty to the improper plate, Your Honor. She's been advised and is ready.
All right, ma'am, if that's the case, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Count one of this too. All right, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for the plea today?
No.
All right, are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
Counsel, Ms. Williams, I want to take you back to the date of November 11th of 2022. At that time, did you own a Dodge vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And you said you own a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have any insurance on it at that time?
No.
And counsel, will you stipulate that it was being driven in the area of Schaefer and Grand River in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated,
Yes.
Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining count will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine for this ticket is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
Okay, is that gonna be enough time for you, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than September 28th, 2023, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kiera, right?
Yes, this is she.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Kiera Wright. This is ticket SP 1376070. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Kiera, right.
This is a pretrial judge. The defendant has been presented offer that she's going to take advantage of today by pleading guilty to guilty of charge, and there's a recommendation for a 90-day delayed sentence. I've explained to the defendant what that means. She's ready to make a factual basis here.
All right, is that right, Ms. Wright?
Yes, it is.
All right, Ms. Wright, you seem a little distracted. You got something else you got going on right now? Or you good?
You got a newborn baby, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
2
what.
weeks.
Okay, it's all right as long as I know what it's for, and it's not just because you're like looking at a TV or something like that. You're good. Okay.
No, she keep crying. I keep peeking at her.
Okay, I understand, Ms. Wright. Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, man. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of August 7th of 2022. That time, did you own a Dodge vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you allow someone who's unlicensed to drive your vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate it was in the area of Jefferson and Lily Bridge in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ms. Wright, were you in the vehicle at the time and you let somebody drive it?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said, were you in the vehicle at the time and let somebody else drive it?
Yes, I didn't have my prescription glasses and it got dark. Yeah.
All right, you can't do that, Ms. Wright, okay?
Yes, I understand.
Typically, how are you out of work? How long are you out of work until for the baby?
Yeah, I got a 6-week leave. I don't go back, I think, to August 29th.
Okay. All right. Typically, my fine is $200. Is that something you're gonna be able to afford right now?
Like, not today, like not right now, but if I could get some time, I will.
It'll be it's a 3-month delayed sentence, so you will have until October the 30th to pay it. Is that gonna be?
October 30th, okay, yes, I'll be back working.
Okay, I don't wanna make it too cumbersome. Does Ms. Wright have any more tickets?
No. Okay, baby. Well,
She had a sale come.
All right, I'm gonna give you a break this time. I'm gonna set your fine at $0, but you do have to come back in 3 months in order for me to dismiss this case. So I'll see you October 30th, okay, via Zoom.
okay, so I don't have to pay anything?
No, I'm gonna give you a break for today. Ms.
Thank
Wright.
you.
Oh,
Just had to
thank you
pay,
so much.
okay?
Okay, you said they're gonna send it out in the mail, the court date?
Well, write it down. It's gonna be, just October 30th, okay? For the
Okay, do I
review.
call back in with the same Zoom number?
Call back in with the same Zoom number, okay, at 8:45 a.m., okay?
8:45 a.m. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome,
8:45,
all right.
October 30th. Okay.
Okay, all right, Ms. Wright. I'll see you then, okay, so I can dismiss this case. Don't get any new
Okay.
ticket. I won't dismiss it.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, bye-bye. Jada Williams? Jada Williams?
Yes.
Okay, can you turn your camera on, for me, please?
Yes.
All right. Well, I know. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Jada Olivia Williams. This is ticket SP 13665391. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Jada Williams.
Your Honor, Ms. Williams and I have had an opportunity to talk about the matter and her situation. There is a recommendation that requires her to plead guilty to failing to display a valid driver's license. She's unable to do that at this time. It would cause her to have a 6-month further suspension to her driving license. So we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please. And we're asking if the court would consider holding over the offer until Ms. Snyder can come back and consider this particular defendant's circumstance and make a better offer.
Okay. Well, court will hold open the offer at this point in time until the next day. Ms. Williams, if you want to have a bench trial, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Yes.
Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for the date of October 9th, ma'am. October 9th at 9 a.m. October 9th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Miss Williams, I hope you learn. You look young, so I hope you're learning how important it is to have that license not suspended, okay?
Yeah, I am because it's definitely hard to get them back once you lost them. So, and I've been trying to get them back, and I've been paying a lot of money.
Okay. All right, Miss Williams, all right. So that's a hard lesson, but we'll see you for your trial that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye. Albert Williams. Oh, okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Albert Darnell Williams. This is ticket SP 1463404, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Albert Williams.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Williams. The defendant presents today with valid documents. His insurance will not expire until May 26th of 2024. I've seen that document. It is in his name as well as his registration certificate. That will not expire until May 10th of 2024, Your Honor. Would you dismiss these cases for compliance? I would stipulate to probable cause for the stop for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right, at this time, the court, as an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court will dismiss without prejudice those cases. Mr. Williams, you're all set, okay? Make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
I will, thank you. Robin Young. Unmute yourself for me now.
Hello.
Hello. All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Robin Denise Young. This is ticket SP 1371116. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman. On behalf of the defendant, ma'am, would you state your name?
Robin Young.
So, Your Honor, trial was set to begin at 9 a.m. in this matter. It is now well past 9 a.m. at 11:22. Would you consider a motion here to dismiss for no complaining witness?
At this time, it is 11:22 a.m. No officer being present. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, ma'am, you're all set, okay?
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Joseph Wenzel.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Joseph Harold Wenzel. This is ticket U 662955023. One count accosting and soliciting another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please state your name, sir.
Joseph Wenzel.
Judge, the defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearings. He's going to plead guilty here pursuant to a recommendation that the charge be reduced to disorderly conduct.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice? Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes, I do.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I plead guilty because I am guilty.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial of these matters? You understand that, sir?
Sir.
You say yes?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 8th of 2023. At that time, were you in the area of Michigan and Proctor in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner, sir?
Yes, I did.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this time the court is satisfied as well. We'll enter a plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct in this matter. Sir, you do have a $300 fine for me. You also have to attend the misdemeanor morality class, as well as have an HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results, you just have to take it. Was community service a part of this as well, Attorney Baldwin, or no?
Normally that is part of the offer, but it wasn't mentioned specifically, Your Honor. So I would construe the offer against the one who wrote it and say no.
All right, so at this time, that's gonna be the orders of the court, sir. How long will it take you to complete these tasks? You need 90 days or 120 days?
I'm a over the road driver. I rarely come back to Michigan.
You pay online.
And you do have to attend these classes unless they said otherwise. And the testing you can have done anywhere. So I'm gonna give you some extended time to be able to do it. I'm gonna give you until November the 28th, 2023 to have this completed. For the misdemeanor morality class, let me give you the phone number to call so you can have that set up. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
313-965-3414. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask them about the class. That way you can set it up when you have to come back and drive over our roads, or if you can find someplace else that's acceptable, you could be able to do that too. You just have to be able to complete the class and show me, okay? And you can pay online, so.
How many classes are there?
It's just one, but I think it's a good chunk of time. So it's just a class, but I think you might need a day in order to complete it.
And you need an HIV test?
HIV STI test, you can get that from anywhere. I don't have to know the results. I just have to know that you took it. So you can go.
I have to go. I'll go get that immediately. I'm on the way there already.
Okay. All right. So just make sure you have that. Okay.
I'm going to get a blood test because my kidneys are shot.
Okay.
So
well, get that other test too. I'm sorry to hear about your kidneys, sir. Get that other test done while you go, so that way you take care of that. And so then you just have the fine and the class to do. Okay.
How do I get it back to you?
So when you come back for that hearing date on November 28th, and I'm giving you some time so that I can make sure you have it all, you'll just present it to the attorney who's representing the courtroom that day, and they'll let me know that you've completed everything, okay?
So I do come back November 28th?
You do, via Zoom.
Zoom? Okay.
Yep, Zoom, via Zoom, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
When will I be able to pay my fine?
You can pay it starting on Tuesday, okay?
And it'd be $300?
Yes, sir. Mr. Charles Watkins,
Yes, how are you doing today?
I'm good.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir. Now calling the matter of the people versus Charles Edward Watkins. This is ticket SP 141888831. Drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. Watkins, please state your name.
Charles Edward Watkins.
Judge, the matter is here for a pretrial. We would appreciate the defendant and his attorney would both appreciate some more time for him to work towards compliance. Would you adjourn this matter for as long as you can?
I have September 25th. You need longer than that, Mr. Watkins?
Okay, I couldn't hear the date, ma'am.
September 25th. Is that long enough or do you need longer? September 25th.
Need a little longer, ma'am.
Okay. How about? October 30th?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you so very much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. October 30th, okay, at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Now you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Watkins, you're all set. Thank you.
Hey, thank you so very much, Your Honor, and have a wonderful weekend.
You're very welcome, okay? You have a great weekend too, okay? I'm really rooting for you to get this all taken care of, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I thank you so very much. I really want to try to get these licenses and get this thing together so I can be, driving correctly.
I understand. Thank you. I appreciate it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much once again, Your Honor.
No problem.
Have a wonderful.
Bye-bye, Mr. Watkins, okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I should have asked you based on your discussion, was that gonna be enough time or did I need to go further?
Yes. All right.
All right, it's okay. If he needs more time, I'll give him more time to think about it. Alan Wallace. Alan Wallace. Alan Wallace. All right, I saw a flicker of something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Stay in here, Miss Williams. I pulled you in because all right, now calling the matter of the people versus Alan Wallace II. This is ticket SP 1396551. One count improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle.
Yes.
Count 3, act while license suspended. In
Yes.
warrant status, I have tickets number SP 1062387. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1248650. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1421672. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. And ticket number SP 1421673. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Alan B. Wallace.
Judge, Mr. Wallace is going to plead guilty here to 1 count of failure to display. He's been advised. We're ready.
All right. Okay, sir, if that's the case, please raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 7th of 2022. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Dexter Avenue and Berkey Streets in the city
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Detroit? And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended, sir?
Yes, I think so. I think
I'm
they were.
satisfied.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am, thank you. Stipulate the probable cause as to matters being dismissed. Thank you.
I appreciate it. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining tickets called on the record today will be dismissed. Sir, are you on a fixed income?
Beg your pardon? Yes, I'm on a fixed income.
All right, you have some tickets that went into warrants defaulted. You have to be able to pay those tickets, sir. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets that went into default. So I'm gonna leave those in default and I'm not gonna charge any more money, okay? Pay those civil infraction tickets. If you have some way to be able to make a payment plan, that might be best, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay, sir?
Thank you very much.
Very welcome. Have a good rest of your day, okay?
And you enjoy the rest of your day.
I will, sir. Thank you very much.
All right.
All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They would send me something through the mail if I can make a payment arrangement.
They won't. So if you have someone that you can have bring you down here on the first floor, then they'll help you make the payment arrangement there, okay? So you can pay those.
Outstanding.
Okay.
All I have to do is give them my name, right?
That's right. Give them your name and they'll be able to look you up and then they can try and set something up, Mr. Wallace. That way you can take care of those tickets
Yes, ma'am.
and get those handled, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Wallace. If there's nothing else, you're all set, okay?
All right. You have an outstanding weekend too.
I will. Thank you, sir. You do the same.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Williams? Satisha?
Yes, ma'am. Stacia, yes, ma'am.
Stacia, thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Stacia Williams. This is ticket SP 1384680. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Ticket SP, Ms. Williams, stop walking. I let you walk while I was calling the other case, but you gotta stop. Okay, it's all right. Ticket number SP 1114935. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1151113. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Stacia Jornay Williams.
Judge, we're here for a show cause. So for our arraignment purpose, please enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. She waives any more formal reading of the charges against her. We're asking that the matter be set for a pretrial to give her some time to work with the situation. I talked to her.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client. I'm going to remove any warrants that may be out there in the system and set those fines at $0. Ma'am, is September 25th going to be enough time for you to get stuff together?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm gonna set it for September 25th at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. All right, return back that date and time, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. All right, I'll see you September 25th via Zoom, 8:30 a.m. Bonds at $0, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too. Thank you so much, Ms. Williams. I appreciate it. You have a good weekend too, okay?
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Do I log out?
Yep, Yep, you can log out now. You're all set. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Marquel Wilson Krugler?
Yes, it's me.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, are you able to take your hat off or no?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You got some place to stay where you gonna sit for a moment?
What you say?
Okay, you're gonna sit still for a moment. I see you stop. So, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Markel Wilson Krugler. This is ticket number SP 147210. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 12. Can you hear me? Ms. Wilson Krugler, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
I don't know what was going on.
Okay, you
I
gotta
can't
stop
see
moving.
anything either. Could you see me?
It's okay. Yeah, I can see you, but you gotta stop moving. Sometimes when you're moving, the phone doesn't like that, and you may have gone into an area that doesn't have great connectivity, and that's why I paused for a moment, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ticket number SP 1208422, count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1213587, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1355349, 1 count, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1356658, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 988778, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 979815, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 979837, driver's license never acquired. Count 1. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Marquel Wilson Krugler.
Judge, this is obviously a very complicated situation. Would you please adjourn this pretrial, give the defendant some more time to try to wrestle with the situation? We had a conversation. I think she's got some focus, and she's just going to need some time in order to get the funds and the resources to make it happen.
All right, I'm gonna make it a little longer than September, okay? Because you got quite a few cases, it sounds like, Ms. Krugler. Am I right, Wilson Krugler?
Yes.
All right, so if I put it out to October, you want to put it out to October or November when you come back? When you think you'll have a grasp on all this stuff?
Within like a month or two.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll give you September 25th though. Then maybe you'll have it all together by then, okay?
Okay, but can we do October for just
October 30th, okay? October 30th at 8:35 a.m. Okay, come back then, okay? That give you some extra time, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I know you're trying to. It's hard when you get in it, but I hope you remember how tough it is now, so that you decide not to do this again, okay?
Yes.
All right. I'll see you on October 30th. It is via Zoom, okay? Bond will be set at $0 personal in all these matters, okay?
Okay.
All right. See you then, ma'am, okay?
Okay, see you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
And she said he went ahead and left. Oh.
All right. Danielle Walters.
Yes.
All right. Am I able? There we go. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Danielle Marie Walters. This is ticket number SP 1458616. No insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1458756. One count failed to stop for a stop sign. In warrant status, we have ticket number SP 1026324. Drove while license not valid. And ticket number SP 867375. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Ms. Waters, please state your name.
Danielle Marie Waters.
Judge, the defendant wants to resolve this matter here today. There's a recommendation that if she pled guilty to blockading, that the balance, that I think it's only one charge. Well, that the failing to stop at the stop sign would, the no insurance misdemeanor would be dismissed here. She's gonna plead responsible to that behavior.
All right. Stipulation for probable cause. Do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, I do so stipulate, Your Honor. As well, I stipulate to probable cause for the stop as to the matter being dismissed.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to enter a count amended of responsible to blockading. The remaining counts called on this record will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for that is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes, thank you.
All right, so that's going to be August 10th that fine is due, okay?
Okay.
All right, the remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed perfectly, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day, okay?
You as well.
I will, thank you. All right, you can log off, okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Walker? All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Cornelius Walker. This is ticket SP 1347755. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffin for the defendant. Sir, state your name. One more time. Judge, the defendant's here for an arraignment. We're going to waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and ask that a not guilty plea be entered for arraignment purpose, but he is going to waive his right to any further hearings or trials and plead guilty here to failure to display. He has been advised.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of May 1st of 2022. Sir, were you driving a Lincoln vehicle in the area of Joy and Yosemite Streets in the city of Detroit? Sir, yep, Joy and Yosemite Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh. And while you're driving it, was your license improper at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. I'll accept the plea to the amended charge of fail to display. Sir, did you have any other civil infractions when you got this ticket?
I did, but I paid off last time.
You took care of them? I know. What'd you say, Mr. Walker? Your internet is a little shaky.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. You breaking up too, but I paid off all my tickets. I've been fighting hard to get my license back, and this is my last ticket. So.
All right, that's what I thought. All right, I'm gonna waive your cost and fines on it, okay?
I'm sorry. Say it again.
I'm gonna waive your cost on the ticket. I saw that you took care of everything else, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome, okay? So this I know Attorney Bachman told you, but you don't have to come up with any more money for this ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Good luck to you, Mr. Walker, okay? I want to see you with your license, okay?
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Your Honor. God bless.
Same, thank you. I accepted it. Same to you, okay? Have a great rest of your day.
All right. You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right, we just have Mr. Martez wife. We gotta print the stuff out. Give me one moment.
We're gonna waive a more formal reading of his complaints.
Okay, that means I won't read. I'll just read the case numbers and not all the stuff. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. White, please take your hat off for me. And unmute yourself. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Martez White. I have ticket number SP 1327298, counts 2 and 3. SP 1336235. Ticket SP 1229913. SP 1229912, count 1, 2. Ticket SP 1327300, count 2. SP 1327298, count 1. SP 1229913, SP 132730001, SP 3298121, SP 1, count 1 of that ticket, count 2 of that ticket, and count 3 of that ticket. SP 1336235. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Mr. White, state your name, please.
Martez White.
Your Honor, the defendant has previously been arraigned. He is well aware of what the charges are in each one of those enumerated cases. There is a recommendation that he and I were able to discuss today. He's going to waive his right to any trial or hearing any further than today, Your Honor. He's going to plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation. He has been advised and stands ready to give a factual basis. Thank you.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Mr. White, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm first going to take your attention back to the date of July the 23rd of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Canyon and Rolandale in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And was your license suspended at that time?
Yes.
Now I'm going to take your attention to the date of March the 24th of 2022, sir, where you're driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Harper and Guilford Streets in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered at the time?
Yes.
Did you also have no car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
I believe I'm satisfied as to all 4 counts, Your Honor.
So did I get 4 counts? I need 1 more count.
Okay.
All right. Also, I want to draw your attention to the date of April 20th of 2022. Were you at that time driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Nuff Avenue in Southampton in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was there no car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to 2 counts amended to improper plates, 1 count amended to fail to display, and 1 no insurance misdemeanor as charged. Sir, you got to make sure you do better than this, okay? Mr. White? All right, so this time the court's gonna assess a fine. I'm going to do $600, so $200 on 3 cases. I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on 1 of the cases for you. How long are you gonna need to come up with this $600? You're gonna need 90 or 120 days, sir.
120.
Okay, so that brings me to November. November 28th, okay? Is when this is due. All right. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. I'm gonna find somebody else at 12:45.
Is that all, Mr. Rothman?
Everything.
I'll close the breakout room.
Thank you.